beautiful person watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some gluten-free, low-carb, air fryer chocolate chip cookies. These are so delicious. Let's jump right in. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Thank you so much. I'm just going to quickly run you through the ingredients we need to make a chocolate chip cookie in the air fryer, and then we can start putting this together. So here I have in here some melted coconut oil. I'm using this cold pressed organic coconut oil. Now you can use butter, you can use any oil of your choosing. You can also use refined coconut oil if you don't want that strong coconutty flavor. I do love it, and together with some lemon zest. I love coconut and lemon zest paired in my cookies or cakes. Here I have some salt and some baking soda. Here I have some vanilla extract, some egg, coconut sugar. I have some dark chocolate chips right here. You can use chocolate milk, you can use semi-sweet, anyone that you prefer. You can even use white chocolate chips, that's up to you. And over here I have my almond flour. Now I'm using the blanched almond flour. Make sure it's blanched. Carb. Let's put this all together. To start, in here I have my coconut oil. I'm just going to go ahead and just add my vanilla extract right in there. I'm also going to crack my one egg and just add it on. The coconut sugar, my salt and baking soda. I'm also going to grate in some lemon zest in there. Just a little bit, not too much, just to give it that lemony, coconutty flavor. I love it so much. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can also use cinnamon, ground cinnamon. I'll just mix everything up to combine. It's looking good. Next, I'm going to go in with our almond flour. And I'll mix everything up to combine. This is how it's looking. Okay, and I'm just going to go finally with our chocolate chip. Now I'm going to I'll leave a little bit of the chocolate chip so that once we have our cookies cooked, I'm just going to place those on top. So I'll just fold this inside like this. So good. So I lined my air fryer basket with this parchment paper. Now this is just parchment paper that I did cut up myself, measured, and I also use this stuff that I got from the dollar store, and I just punched some holes. We want to have holes in there so that air can circulate freely because the air fryer cooks with air. I'll place it on one side, and I have this scoop right here, like an ice cream scoop. I'm just going to scoop our cookie and place it on the parchment paper. And once you have it scooped like this, I'm just going to go in with my hands and I'll just flatten it up a little bit like this, okay? Because it's not going to air fry and form into the shape. This, I have 5 in there. I'm just going to go in with the chocolate chip and I'll just place some of it on top. I'm just going to pop this in the air fryer. So it's looking. So we are going to air fry this on 300 degrees for 8 minutes, and we will check 4 minutes through to see how our cookies are doing. It's been cooking for 4 minutes. Let's check and see how they're doing. This is how our cookies are doing. Look at that. They look so beautiful. So I'm just going to pop them right back in and let them cook for the remainder of the 4 minutes. So 4 minutes later, let's check our cookies. Ooh, they look so beautiful. Just take a look at that. I'm just going to let them cool down and I'll show you how it looks like inside. I'll go ahead and just cook the second batch. Pop the second batch in the air fryer. I have 4 cookies in there and I'll let this cool down. Just make sure you let them cool down. Remember, when they come out of the air fryer, your cookies are going to be soft, so let them cool down completely before you can try breaking into them. I'll do 300 again for 8 minutes and see you when these are ready. Let's check the second batch. This is how they're looking. Gorgeous. I'll let all of them cool down and I'll show you how it looks like. Our cookies have cooled down completely. And I do have my glass of almond milk right here. Ooh. I'm just going to show you how one of the cookies looks like inside. See? It's crispy on the outside and very soft and chewy on the inside. See? So delicious, guys. I'll just dip it in my almond milk. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so and join the family. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed, and please turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any healthy air fryer recipes from me. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, please be well, be safe. Thank you.